video, I'm going to discuss Donald Trump signing an executive order. Should I continue to pay my student loan payments? And just my overall thoughts about the whole thing. Let's get into it. Hey guys, I'm Tasha from the Major Change Group, where we believe small changes can create major results. And you guys, oh my goodness. In my last video, I had said, and I was talking about the Senate was supposed to be passing the stimulus, and they let it go all the way through August the 7th. And on August the 8th, Donald Trump did an executive order, and my last video actually came out on the 8th before he had signed it. And then when I saw it, I was just like, okay. In the video, I had discussed where I thought that they were gonna most likely extend the student loan till September of 2021 for no payments or interest accruing on the student loans for federal student loans. Well, it was extended until December of 2020, and he had, three other executive orders that he passed. So first, as I stated before, he extended the no interest or student loans for federal student loans until December 2020. Second, he did a $400 unemployment check. Third, he did a no payroll tax. And then fourth, he did a rent and mortgage moratorium so that people can stay in their house and not get evicted during this time, because we all know that the evictions were going to be going up for September since the moratoriums had ended. So the main thing is, just thinking about this is, one, I just really still do not understand why the Senate and the House could not get into agreements of what they could do for the American people, because they know that there's still over 35 million unemployed and people are defaulting on their mortgage, rent, credit cards, car loans, just a lot going on. I guess it's a good thing that he did it. I don't know if he did it for the right reasons, but that's a whole nother video. Drop down in the comments and let me know which one of these executive orders is gonna help you out during this time. For me, I would say it's gonna be the student loan extension of the 0% interest and no payment through 2020. Now, going into, should I continue to pay my student loans or not? Now, the no interest has really benefited me during these last couple months. You guys, my student loans have been around the 60,000. It seems like forever, and I could not, it just seemed like it wouldn't go down. But since there has been no interest on the student loans for the past couple months, I have definitely seen a decrease. So in my last couple of videos where I did my actual student loan, how much I owe on my student loan, so I owe about $58,000 on my student loans now, because I think I did that one back in May. I owe $57,000 on my student loans, which is great. So if they continue to extend it through December, and I really think they're gonna extend that through September 2021. And you guys, I really think that we're getting close to a student loan forgiveness. Now, remember, last year it was $30,000 student loan forgiveness, and then the House, under the HEROES Act, they had passed the $10,000 student loan forgiveness. Now, you guys, we are currently at a $1.7 trillion student loan bubble, and that bubble gonna be popping pretty soon. So I really feel like something needs to go on with the student loan situation. I just don't know what. Now, I think that having the no interest, to me, that's a start. That's a really big start, because I don't understand why they would, you go to school for your 4 years or your 5 years, and you are accruing the interest, and then you graduate, then boom, they drop the interest on it. Then every month after that, when you're making your payments, they're putting interest on it. And so it's just like, if you don't have a plan for your student loans, it's going to take you forever to pay it off. So now I finally have a plan for my student loans. Well, after I pay my car off, but I'm going to still continue to make my payments. So that's why I have been seeing them decrease, which is good. But after I pay my car off, but at the end of the year, I am gonna start, putting more money onto the student loan, and so I'll be able to continue to see that decrease. Let me know in the comments, have you continued to pay your student loans? Now, I'm definitely grateful that I have continued to have an income coming in. And if you're one of those folks that, you haven't been in a situation, and let's say maybe you have been getting unemployment, one, you want to make sure that you're having your 4 walls covered, your housing, your utilities, your food, and your transportation. And if you want to drop down in the description and get my free budget and debt repayment template, I think that'll help you, because even with them extending the $400, you really want to know how much money you have coming in so that you can allocate the money the correct way. Now, I know that it's not the $600, but I really feel like with you creating a budget or allocating, just knowing where your money is going, it really can help you to either pay down the debt if you can, or put some money towards save. If that's something that you can do, drop down in the comments and get the budget and debt repayment template so that it can help you stay on track. Now, if you have made it this far, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when new content comes out. And check out some of my old videos where I'm talking about budgeting and your credit score. That way, during this time, we can level ourselves up and then just increase our financial literacy so one, that we're not in a position to where we're waiting on the Senate and the House to, fight and figure out what they're gonna do or what stimulus that they're gonna, pass next. That way we're in a financial position to where we don't even have to worry about that thing. I know that things do come up, but like I said in the beginning, small changes can create major results. And if it's nothing but you saving $25 or $50 a week or a month, those small changes can benefit you to where, next thing you know, you might have $1,000 saved up. I hope that this information has been helpful to you. Please like, subscribe, share, and thank you so much for watching.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.